Hey guys, so I have been doing 108 Surya Namaskars 4 days a week, and I wanted to share a 54 Surya Namaskar set workout so that आप उसको लगा के मेरे साथ कर सकते हो in order to see that what your posture is, आपकी breathing कैसी है. आप just मेरे वीडियो को देख के उसको follow कर सकते हो along with me, and it is a 30-minute video. 30-minute workout will burn somewhere around 400 calories. Try to do it with me, along with me, और save करके बाद में भी कर सकते हो, and you will see some amazing changes. Full body toning workout होता है सूर्य नमस्कार का, so try out the workout with me. A 30-minute full body Surya Namaskar workout that can be done with me. So grab your mat, put it on your floor and start doing these Surya Namaskars with me. It will burn more than 400 calories if you do 50. Today I'm going to be sharing 50. Our attempt is to do 108 eventually. I am going to be doing it in fast-paced motion. You can always slow pace it and do it according to your stamina and strength. The first thing you have to do is exhale, stretch upwards, inhale, move downwards, put one leg backwards, exhale, another leg backward, inhale, knees down, push up, inhale, downward dog, exhale, the same leg forward, another leg forward, and exhale again. These 12 motions lead to one Surya Namaskar. Now do the similar thing on the next side as well, and that completes one pair. We have to do 54 pairs to complete 108 Surya Namaskars, which is going to burn almost 800 calories, and it will take somewhere around 1 hour. I did 108, but I have recorded just 50. Let's start with that, and you can repeat with me again another round, and that will make 108. So यहाँ पे 54 सूर्य नमस्कार हम कर रहे हैं. Inhale, exhale, inhale again, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, and that's how you complete one. finished 20 Surya Namaskars and so 20 in 8 minutes 54 seconds, जिसमें से मैंने 1 मिनट का ब्रेक भी लिया था. So we can say 20 in 8 minutes. It's not bad. So I'm going to just take a break of 1 minute before doing another round of 10. After every round of 10 Surya Namaskars, I take a break of 1 minute and just move around. You can also do the same. This Surya Namaskar workout is a full body workout, but it makes the arms and the neck sore, so you have to take care of the stretching part as well. Again, we start with inhaling backwards, exhaling, bend down, inhaling right leg back, exhaling left leg back, inhaling push up, cobra pose, exhale, inhale mountain climb in downward dog, exhale right leg forward, left leg forward, inhale, exhale, upward. Surya Namaskars. Look at that. Just Surya Namaskars. जैसे मैंने कहा यहाँ पे अगेन आई एम डूइंग अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ स्ट्रेचिंग बिकॉज इट इज़ अ डिफिकल्ट हाई इंटेंसिटी वर्कआउट एंड देन आई थॉट ऑफ टाइंग माई हेयर एज वेल बिकॉज इट इज़ टू स्वेटी. आप देख रहे हो पानी की तरह पसीना हो रहा है बिकॉज दैट्स हाउ इंटेंस द वर्कआउट इज़ एंड yeah, that's how you do your Surya Namaskars. Keep doing it with me. I'm taking breaks. You can also take breaks. And it took me 1 hour and 20 minutes to complete 108. And इसीलिए मैंने सिर्फ आधा ही अपलोड किया because it takes very long to upload full. But आप इसको repeat कर सकते हो मेरे साथ again. 50 Surya Namaskars done. I am lying down on the mat. I am resting because the next 50 will take some time again and I am super duper tired. अगर आप भी tired हो आप अभी रुक सकते हो. अगर आपको आगे continue करना है आप आगे continue करो. Depending on what your stamina is currently, आप उस हिसाब से आगे move forward. Do not think that if I am doing it, you have to do it, or if anyone is doing less, you have to do it according to them. Always decide where your stamina is at. Just relax for 2 minutes. I just lied down for 2 minutes, and after that, I started again. Hey guys, and that's how I completed 108 सूर्य नमस्कार. ये 54 सेट का वीडियो है, आप इसको 2 बार रिपीट कर सकते हो. I hope you do this video with me. इतना नहीं कर पा रहे हो, आगे थोड़ा सा करो. थोड़ा थोड़ा करके just add in 10 more, and eventually you will get to 108. So don't worry about that. So try to do the posture correct. Posture सही रखिए rather than doing the number of times you want to do it, right? So I'll see you guys tomorrow in the next video, which will be a full day eating. I promise. आज का वीडियो वर्कआउट वीडियो था बिकॉज कितनी बार आप वही चीज देखोगे. आई एम नॉट डूइंग एनीथिंग एलैबोरेट अलग से कुछ. यू हैव ऑलरेडी सीन व्हाट आई एम डूइंग फॉर माय 30-day चैलेंज. सो टुमारो विल बी अ फुल डे व्हाट आई ईट इन अ डे. टिल देन कीप डूइंग सम वर्कआउट. I'll see you guys tomorrow सुबह सुबह 11 बजे. Until next time, stay fit, stay happy, stay healthy.